Take a look at these words, intrinsically and extrinsically. Do you know what they mean? Well, these are adverbs, okay? If they were in their adjective form, they would look like this, intrinsic, extrinsic, okay? An adjective is a word that describes a noun, right? Like big house, the big house, okay? Big is an adjective, house is a noun. Okay, what kind of house is it? Is it a big house? Is it a small house? Okay, that's how we use adjectives. Now, adverbs describe verbs, right? Now, very often, adverbs come after the verb. They don't have to. They could go before the verb, but very often they come after the verb. Okay, look at this. Speak quietly. Please speak quietly. Okay, quietly is the adverb. It's describing speak. How should you speak? Quietly. Okay, now look at this. ly. Almost all the time, adverbs have ly at the end. Okay, they don't have to. There's some adverbs that don't, but very often they have ly. That's how you know they're an adverb. Okay, quietly. Now, adverbs can also describe adjectives. Okay, like this. Very good. Very is an adjective. An adverb, and good is the adjective. Okay, you are a very good student. You are a very good student. Okay, very good. How good? Very good. Or just a little bit good. I don't know. I've never met you in real. I don't know if you're a good student or a bad student. Okay, so look at these words, intrinsic and extrinsic. What do they mean? Well, intrinsic means inside, and extrinsic means outside. Now, we often use these words when we talk about motivation. Motivation. What is motivation? Motivation is the reason we do something. Why do you do what you do? That's your motivation. Okay, take a look at this guy. He says, I want to learn English so that I can get a better job. Okay, this is his motivation. He's learning English because he wants to get a better job. Maybe he wants to make more money. Okay, so we would say he is extrinsically motivated. He's motivated from something outside. Okay, the motivation is out here. Okay, here's his heart, right? Here's the center of his being. Here's where his motivation comes from. But he's motivated from something outside himself. So he's extrinsically motivated. Now, take a look at this woman. I want to learn English because I love it. I want to learn English because I love it. Okay, so we could say Julia is intrinsically motivated. Julia is intrinsically motivated. She just loves English. It doesn't matter. It has nothing to do with money or with work or with anything. She just loves to learn English. She's intrinsically motivated. Okay, so I want to know, are you intrinsically or extrinsically motivated to learn English? Let me know down there in the comments, and I'll see you over in the next episode of Mad English TV. Take care.